Welcome, now I am going to demonstrate Info 3D Card Widget from Essential Classy Add-ons for Elementor, formerly known as EC Add-ons. Let's start. Now from WordPress dashboard, click on Essential Classy tab, then click on Widgets. Now edit page with Elementor, and from Elementor panel search Info Card Widget from left panel and drag and drop. Select normal image and manage its resolution. Select hover image and manage its resolution. Below fields for title, subtitle and description. Here you can manage link on info card. Manage height and width of card. Also, you can manage text and content alignment. In Style tab, you can manage normal image, hover image, content box, title, subtitle and description as per your need. Look into Normal Image tab. Here you can manage border, filter-based CSS, box shadow, transform CSS for normal and hover effect. Look into Title tab. Here you can manage padding, margin and its typography. Additionally, in Title tab, you can manage color, background, border, box shadow, text stroke, transition and transform CSS for normal and hover. Look into Subtitle tab. Here you can manage padding, margin and its typography. Additionally, in Subtitle tab, you can manage color, background, border, box shadow, text stroke, transition and transform CSS for normal and hover.